Muhammad Ali, Mike Tyson. You know, coach, last night I was in I meet the alligator there outside. I saw meet them. When I was in Dubai, I catch the shark, did armbar. When lions see me, they run around. Nobody see these animals like here, but these animals take over. You're the champion shit, brother. I'm the king. I'm the king, brother. Take over everything. I take over in this game. Smash everybody. Yeah, I told you guys. Only 2,000 tokens. Only 2,000. If you don't buy them, you smash everybody in this world. 2,000 only survive. 2,000 people, coach. Be fast, coach. When they come out, buy. Like this, we take Gilbert like this. Alright, go hard. Gonna stop breathe.